Hey everyone, have you ever felt completely overwhelmed planning for big life events? Whether it's a wedding, buying a home, or even starting a family, these milestones can put a huge strain on your finances. Today we're breaking down how to tackle these events without breaking the bank. Planning is crucial when it comes to managing your finances around major life events. Without a plan, it's easy to overspend and find yourself in a financial hole. But with a solid plan, you can navigate these milestones smoothly and confidently. First up, let's talk about weddings. The average wedding cost in the United States is about $34,000. Yikes! But here's the good news. You can absolutely have a beautiful day without going into debt. The key is to start with a budget. Sit down with your partner and discuss what's most important to both of you. When creating your budget, categorize your expenses into must-haves and nice-to-haves. For example, if you both value good food and great music, prioritize those items. You can always cut back on decorations or flowers if you need to. Remember, this day is about celebrating your love, not impressing guests with extravagance. Another tip is to consider alternative venues. A backyard wedding or a local park can save you thousands compared to traditional venues. Plus, it adds a personal touch. I helped a friend plan her wedding, and she found a beautiful park that allowed outside catering. This way, they could focus their budget on a fantastic meal and a fun DJ. Don't forget to take advantage of off-peak seasons. Many venues and vendors offer discounts for weddings held in the winter or during weekdays. This could save you a significant amount and allow you to splurge on other areas like a honeymoon. Lastly, remember to keep track of all expenses. Use a spreadsheet or wedding planning app to monitor your budget as you go. Being organized will help you avoid any last-minute surprises. Next, let's dive into home buying. Did you know that nearly 60% of first-time buyers rely on loans for their down payments? It's crucial to understand your options before you start browsing homes. First things first, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This process helps you know exactly how much house you can afford and shows sellers you're serious. Once you have a budget, start researching neighborhoods that fit your lifestyle. Consider factors like commute times, school districts, and local amenities. Spend some weekends driving around potential neighborhoods to get a feel for the area. This can help you narrow down your choices and find the perfect location. Next, think about what you really need in a home. Make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. For example, do you absolutely need a two-car garage, or would a small driveway suffice? This clarity will help you stay focused during your search and avoid falling for homes that don't fit your budget. Working with a knowledgeable realtor can also make a huge difference. They can provide valuable insights into the market, help you negotiate offers, and guide you through the entire buying process. A great realtor can be your ally in making sure you don't overpay and find the right home for your needs. Finally, remember to budget for closing costs and ongoing expenses like property taxes and maintenance. It's easy to focus on the purchase price, but these additional costs can add up quickly. Planning for these will help ensure your new home doesn't become a financial burden. Now, on to starting a family. Did you know the average cost of raising a child in the US is around $233,000? It can feel overwhelming, but with a solid plan, you can prepare. Start by creating a baby budget. List out potential costs like baby gear, healthcare, and childcare. This will give you a clearer picture of what to expect financially. Don't forget to account for maternity or paternity leave, which can impact your income. Research your employer's policies, and if you're planning to take extended leave, consider how that will affect your budget. Having a savings cushion can help ease any financial strain during this transition. Next, consider your childcare options. Whether you're looking at daycare, hiring a nanny, or arranging family help, childcare can be one of the largest expenses. Research local costs and start comparing options early. Many parents start a childcare savings account specifically for this reason. Also, take a close look at your insurance policies. It's vital to have adequate health coverage during pregnancy and for your new baby. Ensure that your plan covers pediatric visits, vaccinations, and any potential emergencies. Adjusting your coverage now can save you a lot of stress later. Lastly, think about education savings. It's never too early to start saving for your child's future education. Consider opening a 529 plan, which offers tax advantages for education savings. Even small contributions can add up over the years. Okay, so we've covered weddings, home buying, and starting a family. Now let's wrap up with some general financial tips for any major life event. First on the list is building an emergency fund. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up. This can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected expenses or income loss. Next, track your spending diligently. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to monitor where your money goes each month. Knowing your spending habits will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more for your major life events. Don't overlook debt management. If you have high-interest debt, focus on paying it down before taking on new expenses. It's often more financially sound to eliminate debt than to add more obligations, especially during major life changes. Consider your long-term financial goals as well. Each life event often brings about new opportunities and responsibilities. Revisit your financial goals regularly to ensure they align with your evolving life circumstances. This helps keep you motivated and focused. Lastly, always be proactive about your financial education. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to handle life's ups and downs. Attend workshops, read books, and watch educational videos like this one to stay informed. So whether you're planning a wedding, buying your dream home, or starting a family, remember that with a little planning, you can take control of your finances and enjoy these moments to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and drop a comment sharing your own financial planning stories. Until next time, keep planning and keep thriving.